Hello everyone. So if you want to display the date on your Android status bar easily, here's how to do that. So on some Android phones, this may be built-in feature. So simply open up your settings, then scroll down to your display and touch or simply display and go through it. Now, I really recommend you to do this because, as I already mentioned, some phones have this as a built-in option and it may be really comfortable. However, if your phone doesn't have it as a built-in option, let's keep up with our method. So open up a Play Store, tap on the search button. Now let's press on the search bar at the top and let's search for date on status bar. And let's install some application. As you see, there are some of them, I'll say like 10 of them, and simply choose the most desired one. I'll be using this one. It's named just Data on Status Bar. It's really simple and easy, and basically it gives us like the needed bare minimum. So let's press open. First of all, let's give all the necessary permissions for this application to work correctly. So press show notify, press allow. Once again, press allow. Now let's enable it. So press settings. First of all, let's enable show time. Choose 24 format, and also we can set up a custom icon color if your phone supports it. So let's press OK. Let it be on the red color because I really like to rate red color. And also we can set up a different calendar style. I'm gonna go with this classic one because I like it. And now if you're gonna open up your home screen, first of all, if you're gonna swipe down, you'll see this calendar option, right? And right now you cannot really see it because I have a recording. However, if I'm going to turn off screen recording, it will be visible. So I'll use a screenshot and you'll basically see a screenshot of it. So I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.